Welcome to Jalubo's Marble League. This is the 4th day of Season 2. The marbles will race on the quarry circuit, the suspended bridge circuit, and the 3-lane circuit. Here are the results after Day 3. As is, the Red Rooster and the Seahorse are directly qualified for the final. And the first race is launched. The Blue Monster overtook Bluebeard and is now the front-runner. The Blue Monster is still leading the race, followed by the Red Rooster. And the Yellow Totem managed to take the lead before the rod area. And the Blue Monster is back as the leader. Not that easy to overtake a marble in this area. The two leaders are still the Blue Monster and the Yellow Totem in the beam area. We're in the turn before the first platform. The marbles are swinging on the platform. The Blue Monster keeps the position before the second platform. The Blue Monster is still the leader and will get out first. But the Green Gorilla is back and is now the leader of the leg. The Green Gorilla is now alone for the last part of the circuit. And the Green Gorilla won this leg, followed by the Blue Monster. This is the second leg of the first race. And the Silver Rabbit is now the leader. The Silver Rabbit is still leading the leg, followed by the Orange Bee. The Orange Bee and the Brown Antelope let the Silver Rabbit create a big gap. The gap is still important between the Silver Rabbit and the other marbles. We're in the beam area and the Silver Rabbit is still alone. The Silver Rabbit's opponents are back, I guess. The marbles are entering the first platform where everything is possible. The Brown Antelope is now leading the leg after the Black Penguin and the Orange Bee bumped into the Silver Rabbit. We're on the second platform. With no opposition, the Brown Antelope is still the leader. And the Brown Antelope won this leg, followed by the Silver Rabbit. The second leg was way faster than the first one and the brown antelope won this race. The yellow totem is the last one in this race and the last one in the Season 2 ranking as well. Something has to be done. And this is the second race today. The marbles are gathering around the exit. The purple frog is leading the leg on the suspended bridge. The black penguin overtook the purple frog after they left the platform. The struggle is hard between the 6 marbles. The silver rabbit won the platform's battle and is now the leader of this leg. Once again, the marbles are bumping into each other. And Bluebeard is the first out. And Bluebeard will win this leg. Bluebeard is number 1 and the blue monster number 2. And the second leg is started. The marbles are still together before the suspended bridge. The yellow totem is now leading the leg. Hard to predict which marble will take the lead. The green gorilla and the quetzal are on the way to second platform. The quetzal directly left the platform and is now number 1. And the other marbles are back before the quetzal could find the way out. And the quetzal is taking back the lead. And in the very last turn, the orange bee could overtake the quetzal. The orange bee won this leg, followed by the quetzal. The whole first leg was faster than the second one and Bluebeard won race 2. The brown antelope is the leader today with quite a gap. The yellow totem strategy is definitely not the good one. We're on the 3-lane circuit for the third race today. The orange bee is leading the leg so far. The quetzal took advantage of the confusion to take the lead. The yellow totem is now number 1 after the twin platforms. And the seahorse jumped over the marbles and is now in the second position. Incredible! The seahorse overtook the quetzal, is now number 1. The seahorse won this leg, followed by the green gorilla. This is the second leg of the third race. In this race, only the brown antelope, the silver rabbit, and the black penguin can win day 4. The black penguin is now the leader and the brown antelope in the last position. We're on the twin platforms and the struggle is hard between the marbles. The purple frog is leading but can't win day 4. The black penguin is number 1 among the day 4 leaders. After a last battle, the black penguin is now the leader of the leg. The black penguin won the leg and the brown antelope is in the 5th position. Will the black penguin score enough points to win day 4? We'll find out in a few seconds. The black penguin scored 25 points and the brown antelope only 1 point. And the black penguin overtook the brown antelope in the very last leg and won day 4. What an epic ending! The black penguin is now the leader of Season 2. As is, Bluebeard, the seahorse, the blue monster and the green gorilla are qualified for the playoffs.